Technical video for RUV printer.
Before you remove the print head, firstly, you need to block these holes. Click Printer, Ink button. So Printhead car is moving. Quickly to power off. After power off. So now you can move head car very easy. Now you can see here is the holder. You can move out this holder. Now move out all dampers. Now find here 3 of screws. And remove 3 of screws. Now you have take out the print head. Remove 2 of cable. So okay. How to change a new print head? Put a new print head. Connect cable. Connect screws. Connect back all dampers. Remember to take back the holder.
Open these hose. It must open after you finished installation.